tall, but you discovered growing up just leaves you feeling small. While you were sleeping, everything changed at once. You woke in the morning, stepped into the stinging light of dawn. You were wandering through the wild. You were wondering if and when you reach the other side, weighed down by a heart of stone, bound to a body of broken bones, fragile and feeling alone. But the whole story hasn't been told. When you were younger, you saw all the world was yours, but you don't have the same eyes, and you cannot believe that anymore. You study the pieces scattered around the room. Failing is fruitful so long as we do not forget to move. We are wandering through the wild. We are wondering if and when we'll reach the other side, weighed down by our hearts of stone, bound to these bodies of broken bones. We carry such similar loads. Turns out we are not alone. We could cling to comfort, content to run in place, frozen cause we feel the cost. But how could we expect to find out where we ought to go unless we get a little